Hi and welcome to Design Upgrade, Rhinoceros and Grasshopper 3D tutorials. My name is Saqib Aziz and I'm very glad to present to you my first online course titled Azuma House by Tadao Ando, a complete beginner's guide to 3D modeling in Rhinoceros 6. And here's a quick preview of what you can expect to learn. You will learn to use a wide range of Rhino commands and even use new commands which are only featured in Rhinoceros 6 to generate elaborate 2D floor plans of the two levels featured in the Azuma House. You will then learn professional tricks to generate quick 2D sections out of those floor plans. Then we will come to the core of Rhinoceros, which is the 3D modeling, and use again a wide range of 3D tools to model the most efficient way. Then I will show you in depth how to lay out in Rhino 6 for final print, and actually use layouting as a tool to generate 2D elevations. Finally, we will look at the Rhino built-in rendering settings. Not only will you be able to control the rendering settings, but we will also generate a custom material. And finally, we will bring all together and print our layout as a PDF. And because this is my first course, I decided to make half of the content for free, so you can just watch it. It's marked as a free content. Just look at that and follow along. It's actually the first half of the course, so you'll still be able to actually draw the complete 3D model. So please join me on this 3D modeling journey and let us together make some design upgrades.